Welcome to the MadLearn Video Gallery tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to import videos from YouTube and other sources, and how to create a viewing channel for your app's users. Start by clicking the Add Screen button, then open the Video Gallery template. Name the screen and edit the title bar. Find a video on YouTube and select the Share option under the video player. Copy the URL and return to the platform. Then paste the URL address into the Add New Video URL field. Clicking on the video thumbnail image will open more options on the editor. Now you can name the video and add a description. You can even edit text color and alignment.